The Five Elements of Effective Thinking by Edward Berger and Michael Starbird presents actionable strategies for enhancing thinking and problem solving skills. The book uses metaphors based on the classical elements earth, fire, air, water, and the quintessential element to explore different aspects of effective thinking. Below are the key points. 1. Earth, grounding your thinking. Understand the basics. Master the foundational concepts before tackling advanced problems. Revisit what you think you already know. Question assumptions to uncover gaps in your understanding. Strengthen foundations. Continuously build and refine your core knowledge to create a strong base for growth. 2. Fire, igniting insights. Generate new ideas. Use mistakes and failures as opportunities for learning and discovery. Embrace errors to identify areas needing improvement. Approach challenges with curiosity and creativity. Ignite passion. Stay motivated by connecting your efforts to meaningful goals. Air, viewing problems from new perspectives. Think flexibly. Shift your perspective to gain fresh insights. Ask what if to explore alternatives. Consider different viewpoints, even opposing ones. Simplify complex problems. Break down issues into smaller, raw, manageable parts to find clarity. 4. Water, flowing with adaptability. Be open to change. Adapt your thinking based on new information and insights. Accept uncertainty as a natural part of problem solving. Flow around obstacles rather than resisting them. Continuous improvement. View thinking as an ongoing process rather than a fixed outcome. 5. The quintessential element, engaging with the process. Reflect on your thinking. Regularly evaluate your thought processes to identify strengths and weaknesses. Ask good questions. Effective thinking starts with asking insightful, probing questions. What's missing? Why does this happen? How can I improve? Practice and apply. Develop habits of effective thinking by consistently practicing the principles. Other key strategies. Learn from failure. Mistakes are essential for growth. Reflect on failures to identify lessons. Focus on the journey. Effective thinking is a lifelong skill. Commit to continuous learning and self-improvement. Connect ideas. Build bridges between different areas of knowledge to deepen understanding. Conclusion. By mastering these 5 elements, you can approach problems creatively, think critically, and achieve personal and professional success. The book encourages readers to practice these strategies regularly to develop a mindset of continuous learning and improvement. Thank you for staying with us until the end of this journey. If you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support us and stay updated with more valuable insights. Your engagement means a lot, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay tuned for more enriching content.